Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. As you can see, I already have my makeup done, so I'm just gonna jump right into this wig review. The wig I'm gonna be reviewing today is from LUVME Hair. Of course, I really love their hair. I'm gonna go ahead and dig into the box and show you guys what items they sent me with the wig. They sent me a wig cap. Of course, you always need these. As you can see, all my wig videos, I'm wearing them. I also got this little drawstring bag with some more stuff in it. I got this edge brush also. A pair of earrings. And a edge scarf with their name on it. This is the hair inside of this mesh bag. I know it looked kind of weird looking at it from this angle, but that's because it's a bang wig. It definitely did look weird to me too. But yeah, it's 24 inches, curly, nice bouncy curls. The lace is pre-bleached and the lace goes from ear to ear. It can be worn glueless, and that's how I'm gonna be wearing it today. And that's the bang I'm showing you guys on the front. It has about 4 clips on the inside to secure it onto your head, and it comes with an elastic band to hold it on to. I took the wig straight to my wig block because I already knew from the look of it that I'm gonna be doing some adjustment to it. Because it was folded up inside of the bag, the hair at the root needs to be manipulated a little bit just to suit me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need it to be flat and all of that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray some water on it, and the water will help to get it how I want it. So this bottle has water and conditioner in it. It probably has some oil too. I'm gonna spray it mostly on the root of the hair, and I'm only gonna be spraying it where the lace is. At this point, guys, the hair is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some edge wax on it. This is gonna help to keep the hair around the parting in the top nice and flat, because it does have a parting. I then rub some of it onto my hands, and then I rub it all over the hair. I like to do this because it helps with the flyaway hairs. Now I'm gonna put a few curls into the sides nearest to the front, and I'm only gonna be doing it in the sides because the hair already have curls in it, but I want the sides to, curl a certain way. That's the reason why I'm doing that. I also use the hot comb on the top to try to get it as flat as I can. Now it's time to get my head ready for the wig. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding some foundation onto my stocking cap to tone the color down so it could match a little more with my skin tone. This is the elastic band that came with the wig. It was attached onto the wig, and that's the reason why I didn't show it to you guys in the beginning. So I added onto the wig, and then I put it on because I feel like it's ready now to go on. Now I'm gonna comb it out, brush it out, whatever I need to do to get it looking right on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my bangs so they could look nicer. And that's all I needed to do to this beautiful wig. Now to top it off, I'm just gonna change my outfit and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. And this is it, guys. Like I said, it's a lace wig, but it can be worn glueless, and I actually like it better this way. I will never glue it down for as long as I have it. This way I can take it off and put it back on whenever I want to with no hassle. I will forever love bangs. Something about me and bangs, I just cannot, not love them. And not too long ago, I bought some bundles to make my own bang wig, and look, now I don't have to make it. This hair is amazing. The length is perfect. It is so nice and full. It's bouncy, like it takes the curl, everything. I cannot find one bad thing to say about it. It doesn't shred, just in case you guys are wondering. Definitely make sure you check out LUVME here to get your very own, because I promise you, you're gonna love it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.